Why does my home feel colder after replacing the roof shingles? Your home may feel colder because the new roof changed airflow, insulation performance, or the way heat moves through the attic. New shingles can expose problems that were hidden by the old roof, especially if attic insulation was moved, compressed, or removed during the work. Roofing crews may also add or improve ridge vents and soffit vents, which can increase airflow through the attic and carry warm air away more effectively. That is useful for preventing moisture and roof damage, but it can make the rooms below feel cooler if the ceiling insulation is too thin or has gaps. Another possibility is that the old roof had dark, worn shingles that absorbed more sunlight, while new shingles may reflect more heat. Check whether the attic insulation covers the entire ceiling evenly, including edges and areas around light fixtures. Look for cold spots, drafts near ceiling openings, and air leaks around attic stairs, pipes, and ductwork. A useful test is to compare the thermostat reading with the temperature in several rooms and inspect the attic during a windy day for moving air. If the attic is much colder than before, ask a qualified insulation or roofing professional to check ventilation balance and air sealing. One common mistake is assuming more attic ventilation always makes the house warmer, but ventilation mainly protects the roof and will not replace missing insulation, so check both together. Another mistake is blaming the shingles when a ceiling hatch, recessed light, or duct joint is leaking warm air, so seal those openings with appropriate materials. Some homeowners also turn up the thermostat without checking the furnace filter or ductwork, which can reduce airflow and waste energy, so replace a dirty filter and have damaged ducts inspected. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.